म्हज्या मोगाळ प्रमोद बाब, आता आमी गोंयांत एटलिस्ट 20 रुपया 25 रुपयांनी फ्लॅग विकताय मिनिमम. हर घर तिरंगा बरोबर आहा, ब्युटिफूल आय सेड, बट वाय सेल इट? If it is 75 years, why couldn't the state afford to give a 20 rupees worth flag, which in the wholesale market may be even 10 rupees? Why couldn't we afford to give one flag per house? How much would it cost for the Goa government? Which is finally it is our money. Why couldn't we make it a beautiful scheme to supply one flag per house? At an average estimated rate, I think we have around 6 lakhs houses in Goa. So even if I multiply it by 20, it is not more than 1.2 crores. Whereas you have the enough money to spend for swearing in ceremonies, for ferrying MLAs, for buying and selling every type of every type of official sometimes. You love Goa so much, you love India so much, you should have thought about one scheme, Baba, by which at least we will see the maqsad would have been complete if you would have supplied one flag to each house free of cost. There are so many people, even I've seen a video where a poor man is crying that he has no money to buy his ration, but you all are forcing him to buy a flag. This is the height of patriotism, yaar. I think, Pramod Bab, you are mistaken over there. Maybe you are very busy in excavating a lot of history, time and again. Look into our present so that you can see into the future. And I would have requested you that even then, if you can still think over this scheme where you could supply one flag to every house free of cost, which will not cost you more than 20 rupees, whereas the money that you all spend on 15 minutes swearing in ceremony is more than 4 crores. Think over it. Dev Bara Guru. Jai Hind, Jai Goa, Jai Hindustan. Dev Bara Guru once again.